Prepare to embark on a journey through the heart of Excel's powerhouse, formulas. Get ready to unravel the mysteries and the master the art of the spreadsheet sorcery. Hello, fellow spreadsheet adventurers. Today we are diving deep into the captivating world of Excel formulas and what you need to be mindful of. Whether you are a novice or a seasoned pro, there is a something enchanting awaiting for you. Step into a realm where numbers dance and data transform. The world of Excel formulas. Brace yourself for an enchanting exploration that will forever change how you use spreadsheets. First of all, we all need to know what are Excel formulas. Excel formulas are expressions that you can use to perform calculations, manipulate data, and make decisions. Within an Excel spreadsheet, they allow you to perform various mathematical, logical, text, date, and reference based operations on the data present in cells. Formulas can help automate tasks, analyze data, and generate results. So we have a lots of formula available in the Excel, like you can go to your insert function, and like you can see we have a lot of functions available which have their own specific importance. So in this video we will discuss some important functions which are daily requirements of our life. We will see what to be aware of while using Excel formulas. So first of all, we need to know what steps we should follow before inserting some functions or formula in cell. So probably we have to face some errors. So moving further in this video, Excel formulas are powerful tools for performing calculations, data manipulations, and analysis. However, there are certain things to be aware of when using Excel formulas to ensure accuracy and efficiency. First of all, we have cell references type. Cell references plays an important role while using formulas because accurate cell reference is used, you will get the accurate output which you want. So we have a lot of types of references types, relative references, absolute references. So you can go and watch my previous video. I have detailed video on this topic. So on the second, we have to face order of operations. Excel follows the mathematical rule which is BDMAS. Like I will enter there so you will be able to understand well. So what it means, B for bracket. Every time you use formula, Excel will proceed brackets first, then divisions, then multiplications, then addition, and then subtraction. If you are using a long expressions, so I will suggest you provide accurate pattern using BDMAS rule of math. So on the other hand, we also face some errors like div 0. For example, div 0 error occurs when we divide some value by 0 like this. If I divide it by 0, it will show me div by 0 error. So every time you see div by 0 error, so you will remember some value is 0. Just go and check it and correct it. So another error we always find value. So value error occurs if I entered some text and containing some mathematical operations, like here 0 is divided by 10 is divided by 0. So if I enter ABC at there, so it will give me value error. So there are two main errors which we have to face. Like another error we have to face, reference error. If I delete this F column, so it will give us reference error because F2 is referred in this cell. So like this. Now it's showing reference error. Fourth one is use of functions. Excel offers numerous functions, sum, average, VLOOKUP, etc. to perform specific tasks. Be aware of the required arguments and syntax for each function. Make sure you have to fulfill all the arguments and syntax for each function to work them properly. On the fifth, we have data types. Ensure that data types, text, numbers, dates are consistent when using formulas. Inconsistent data types can lead to unexpected results. Like above, we have value error. Again, we have one more point which we have to be aware while using Excel functions: precision and rounding. Excel uses a finite number of decimal places which can lead to rounding errors. Use round or other rounding functions when necessary. Seventh one, data validation. Validate input data to ensure it meets specific criteria, for example, range, format before calculations. This prevents errors from propagating through formulas. I have a detailed video on range, naming cells, and how it is useful in formulas. So go and check it out. On the next, we have formula auditing tools. Excel provides tools like trace precedent, trace dependence, and evaluate formula to help understand and troubleshoot complex formulas. For example, just go to formulas. Here we have option of trace dependence, trace precedents. So I just want to know from where side my formula is performing. I just click to trace precedent. So here I have no precedent. So like if I go to formula, then it will show me like this. My formula is working from left to right, so it shows me arrow left to right because our is number is dividing by 10 divided by 0. That's why it's showing us left to right arrow. Next, we have formula efficiency. Excessive use of violate functions like formula is equal to now is equal to today. Sorry, I think just enter today. I should start play like this. Using of these functions a lot of time in your Excel datasheet, it can slow down performance, minimize their usage, especially in large data sets. On the next, we have named ranges. Define named ranges to simplify formula creation and improve formula readability. Named ranges can also make formulas more resilient to changes in data structures. You can watch my detailed video on named ranges. External data sources. When using formulas that retrieve data from external sources, ensure the source data remains accessible and updated. By understanding these considerations and best practices, you can effectively utilize Excel formulas to perform calculations accurately and efficiently, helping you make informed decisions based on your data. Thank you for joining us on this thrilling Excel journey. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more, and brace yourself for more incredible Excel revelations ahead. Until next time, let's keep unlocking Excel potential.